Hi guys, welcome back to Santosh Gamer channel. Yesterday we learned how to control data entry using data validation and drop down list. But what if we want to visually highlight important data automatically? That's where conditional and custom formatting comes in. By the end of this video, we can understand what is conditional formatting and what is custom number formatting. So let's jump into the topic. So in Excel, the formatting can be done in two ways. That is, first one conditional formatting. That is, it makes data visually appealing. That is, it allows you to apply different colors, icons and styles to cells based on the specific conditions. And it helps identify trends, highlight outliers and make data visually impactful. Coming to custom number formatting, it formats numbers, text and dates, and it allows you to change how numbers, dates and text are displayed in a cell without altering the actual value. And these are the some symbols and these are their meanings. I have explained all these in MS Excel work. Now I am going to explain these all symbols and meanings in MS Excel work for better understanding. So let's jump into that. Now I have opened my Excel sheet. So let us understand what do you mean by conditional formatting with this example. We have two scenarios. In first scenario, we need to highlight the duplicate values and then we need to highlight sales greater than 50,000 in green color for better visibility. So let us understand how we can do this. So first we need to highlight the duplicate values. So we need to check the employee and then we need to check our employee IDs, like our employee data starts from 11th cell and then ends up to 16th cell. So click on 11th cell of our data starting with A and then click on shift and page down button and then you need to click on home and then you need to click on conditional formatting, and in conditional formatting we need to click on highlight cells rules. In highlight cell rules, we can clearly see some of the rules here, like greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a data occurring and duplicate values. So here we need duplicate values and then here we can choose a color what we needed. So click on this drop down arrow and then click on the custom format. In custom format we can see the boxes here. So in this we have the color box. So in color box beside we have a drop down. When we click on this drop down, then we can see the colors needed. So in this we can choose the needed color. So I want green color and I click on green color and then you need to click on OK and then you need to click on OK. Now we can clearly see that the duplicate values are highlighted with green color. So the A is highlighted with green color and also C is highlighted with green color. That is, these employee IDs are repeated. So now we have achieved the scenario 1 first point. So coming to second point, that is, you want to highlight sales greater than 50,000 in green for better visibility. Okay, similarly we need to start with our sales data, that is starting with 11th cell and click on shift and page down, drag up to 16th and then you need to click on home and then you need to click on conditional formatting and then you need to click on highlight cells rules. In this you should choose greater than, as we needed greater than 50,000. So click on greater than and in this cell you need to type manually, that is 50,000 and then you need to click on you want to choose green color. So in this box you need to click on this drop down button and then similarly you need to choose custom format and then you need to click on this drop down button and then you need to choose the green color and then you need to click on OK and you need to click on OK and then similarly we can see that the sales which are above 50,000 are highlighted with green color. So in this way we can achieve the scenario 1. Coming to scenario 2, instead of just two colors, apply a gradient color scale where green equals to high sales, yellow equals to medium sales, red equals to low sales. So in order to achieve this, similarly first we need to remove this data like what we have applied earlier, we need to remove that. So in order to remove that, first click on the 11 cell and drag up to 16 cell, and then click on conditional formatting, and then you need to click on clear rules. After clicking clear rules, you can see the two things here, like clear rules from selected cells, clear rules from entire sheet. So I want select from selected cells, I want to remove the conditional formatting. So click on clear rules and click on clear rules from selected cell. Now the conditional formatting will be removed, and now we want the scenario to be achieved. So click on the 11 cell and then click on shift and page down button up to 16 cell, and then you need to click on home, and then you need to click on conditional formatting, and then you need to click on color scales. As the scenario 2 says, we need to apply gradient color. So in order to apply gradient color, we need to choose color scales, and here the scenario is green, yellow, red. So we need to choose that color. Here if I choose is green, yellow, red, perfect. So first itself we can see that apply a color gradient to a range of cells. The color indicates where each cell value falls within that range, and these cell colors are green, yellow, red. So by clicking on this, we can clearly see that green is in 1 lakh, so it is high cells, and yellow is medium cells, that is yellow 60,000, and as well as okay, this is medium cells, and 90,000 is also in green color. So 90,000, 1 lakh are in green, and yellow is in 60,000, and this 30,000, 40,000 are below medium cells. Sorry, say 40,000 is below medium cell, and the least cell are highlighted with red color, that is 30,000. In this way, we can achieve conditional formatting. Similarly, if we want to highlight some advanced data, like we need to see the percentage, or we need to see some bars here. So click on the 16 cell, drag up to 16 cell, and click on conditional formatting. Here we can have like data bars. When you click on these data bars, similarly you have some data bars here. So you can choose, say when I click on first cell, then it is clearly appearing that 80,000, 40,000, 60,000 like that. So I can choose what the color needed. I have chosen the okay, I'm choosing the red color, red data bar, and click on this. So clearly we can see that 1 lakh is full, and 80,000 is up to half, more than half, and 60,000 is half, and below it is 30,000. In this also we can highlight the cells. In this way we can achieve the conditional formatting. Sorry guys, I am closing this video up to conditional formatting, as the video exceeded 15 minutes. As I seen earlier that I have exceeded like 28 minutes, but I got very less views in earlier video, and also it is one of the important video, but I got less views as I have exceeded 25 minutes above. As of now, I want to end up to conditional formatting. Today we have explored the power of conditional formatting and learned how to highlight important data automatically, but we are not done yet. In the next session, day 7 part 2, we will dive deep into custom formatting in Excel to display numbers as lakhs, crores, percentage, and more without changing actual values. So stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Santosh Gamer for more Excel tricks. See you in the next video, day 7 part 2.